Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. As you see, I am at my fabulous craft table, and I know I have not put up a lot of stuff this month in December. Like I said, and if you saw the kids' little makeover and clean with me video to get their room prepared for their arrival Christmas. I'm dedicating this week to my grandkids, getting things prepared, and I know I've been giving y'all a lot of sneak peeks of my frozen decor. Well, this is just another part of what I am planning for them when they arrive. I have 7 kids that are coming over. Alright, sorry about that in the background. That was my lovely mother calling. Alright, so as I was saying in the video, I have about 7 kids that are coming. My two nephews, my niece is coming from New Jersey. Then I have Truly and Ariana. I have the neighbor's daughter next door. She has really became family with us. She always comes over when the girls arrive. And then my brother's girlfriend's daughter, little Zoe. So it's about 7 children. Yeah, it is 7 kids that are going to be here. So I decided, I went out and I found these cool Santa Claus hats. One has, I think these are the Paw Patrols. I'm not really sure. No, PJ Mask. This is the Marvel Avengers. This one is going to be for Trenton, my oldest nephew. I think he's turning 8 or 9. His birthday's actually New Year's Day, the day of my anniversary. He'll be 8. And then I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's what I needed. So I got 5 frozen hats. These are all from the Dollar Tree, of course. So what I'm going to do, and I hope I don't have no problems today, I printed their names out on my Silhouette 4 machine, and it's the iron-on glitter. So I'm going to sit here and weed through all of these, and then I'm going to get the hats arranged, and I'm going to put their names on their hats, and we're going to get it ironed on, and this is going to be part of their frozen party. So sit on back and relax. It's going to take me a while. If you guys have a Cricut or a Silhouette, you know when you do your weeding, that is the most longest part. You know, trying to get all these words pulled down and you're not messing up. So I'm going to cut, and this is probably going to go, I'm going to put it in a little fast mode because this is going to be tedious. I have 7 kids' names. I don't even know if you can pick that up. But I'm just going to cut a line here and here. That way I can save my paper, save some of my paper. You know, and what kid does not like to have their names on any of their clothing, you know, their book bags and stuff. And then I'll just save this piece for another one. Now, I did a lot of behind the scenes of the different sections that we are going to have here once my mom and my niece arrive. Sunday, we are going to have a cookie station. And then I have the frozen table. And then we're having a sleepover. And all the kids are going to be in the front room, you know, picking a movie and watching a movie. And then, of course, we're going to have movie night. So, back to trying to get their names weeded out. And what I did on my machine, instead of going across, it was more, it was much better in space usage to do their names, flip their names, mirror, and go across this way. That way I save on my paper, because one roll of this glitter paper is 10 bucks. I mean, they really rip you off. Pay close to $200-300 for your machine, and then the paper is just so expensive. If you guys remember a couple months ago, I was telling y'all about the Dollar Tree vinyl. I am praying that they will come out with the iron-on one. And when they do, OMG, everything is going to be monogrammed. So I'm just trying to pay attention so I am not cutting no one's name off, which oh no. Alright, let me go up here. This is Christina's. Let me cut her name. Alright, so right now I am just carefully pulling back the excess of the iron-on paper and making sure I am not ripping any of the name. I don't know what was going on with this glitter iron-on transfer paper this time around. I've been working with it for many years, and I've never had such a struggle trying to get everything weeded and you know, to make sure that I am not messing it up. So if anyone has any tips and has a machine and does this type of work, I would love to hear any stories. You know, do you do something extra to make it not so hard, etc. So about an hour later, I finally got all the names weeded. So this is the fun part where I am arranging the name on the hat. And I'm going to get all 7 of the names centered and ironed on. Alright, I apologize for the video where it was cutting off when I was trying to peel and get these ironed on, but they are done. I think they came out really, really nice. Some of my weeding, I don't know what was going on with this type of iron-on transfer this year. I've never had this issue with it not coming off. But overall, I like the look. You know, dollar store Santa Claus hats with the Frozen theme. And then, of course, I did my nephew's different. My little 3-year-old nephew, Tristan, he got PJ Mask. And his brother got, like, the Incredible Hulk, you know, those type of heroes, the Avengers. So, very nice, cheap and affordable, something different for the kids. If I have time, I may go back one more time and print out and just put like a 21 here. And that way we always know what year that I did their Santa Claus hats. So I we'll be showing you them when they put them on. And for this segment, when they wear these hats, these are going to be for the movie night. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just trying to share some things that I am getting ready to do, for all the kids when they arrive. And very cheap and affordable. So with that being said, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Happy holidays from me to you, and y'all stay blessed. Be safe. Bye-bye.